Hello everyone. I would like to thank NeoGrowth for inviting me as a guest speaker for the video log under the NeoGrowth Sanjeevani Education Series. I'm Prajay and I head the business team at Zooty. At Zooty, we use our digital marketing expertise to help businesses leverage their offline goodwill and create online brands. With our team of digital marketing experts and our love for SME businesses, especially healthcare and beauty businesses, we have managed to serve more than 400 clients in the past 5 years. Today, I am here to talk about how digital marketing can impact your business in a positive way and which all tools basically help you with it. Now, before we go into which all tools help you with it, let's look at why digital marketing has emerged as such an important form of marketing. It's clear. It provides the widest reach possible. Today, you can take your local business into a global market with the help of digital marketing. And as you know it, wider the reach, higher customer base. Secondly, it is targeted. A business can actually choose to decide which all customers or which all potential audiences does it want to show its ads to, which could be relevant to the products or the services he or she is selling. Something which offline tools like pamphlets, hoardings, brochures would not help you with. Thirdly, it is a measurable tool. Today, you can actually track and get analytics in terms of stats which would help in understanding how many people viewed your advertisements, how many people actually clicked on an advertisement, how many leads got generated from which particular set of marketing campaigns. Now, when you talk about which all tools would basically help you achieve digital marketing, overall, let's look at communication, marketing communication in two aspects. Now, when we talk about the first element, a brand communicating to its customers, the biggest platform out there in this sense is social media, is Facebook. The user base of 270 million users in India itself. We are the largest user base globally. Now, how does social media help you? Social media strategy basically helps you create engagement, talk to your clients, and acquire new clients. When you talk about the first element, engaging and talking to your clients, here we are talking about your existing clients. It goes beyond the people who have actually visited your store, right? That is the way you want to work on building top of the mind positioning for your brand. Because as you know, competition stiff, right? These clients are the same people who would create references for your business and overall bring in more customers to you. So, as you see many a times, you would follow your favorite brands. You see them constantly posting material. It could be as simple as someone wishing Diwali to someone. It could be as simple as someone putting up a post saying that we are ready for COVID and our salons and clinics are sanitized. We are wearing protective gear. It could be as simple as I'm putting a one-on-one buy one get one offer for my products or services. All these things basically build engagement with your existing set of clients. The second aspect of it is advertisements. On Facebook, it creates a very targeted advertising base for you. Now, for example, if I am a salon business and I want to target and sell a facial service, who would be my ideal audiences? It would be generally women between the age group of 24 to 45. It would be women who are working or who are housewives, maybe people in the service industry, people in the hospitality industry, women who would be basically located around 2 to 3 kilometer radius of my businesses. For example, if I'm a salon in location A and there are 4 locations around me, I could basically choose to target those locations and show specific ads to only these set of people. Imagine the relevancy of your advertisement and overall the relevancy of your marketing campaign, because a selected few people, a very filtered audience will be seeing your advertisements, and it's those audiences who would be actually interested in buying or availing your services. This is something that offline methods do not provide. Hence, this makes it a very, very targeted tool of advertising. And of course, lead generation. It helps you capture leads. You can actually generate inquiries. You can generate inquiries in the form of telephone calls. You can generate inquiries in forms of messages sent to you on social media. It could be as simple as people filling up a small sign-up form visiting your website and inquiring, right? This makes it a very measurable tool because you can track all these things and accordingly tweak your digital marketing campaign as and when you require. Overall, this is basically helping your brand create a community. That's what it is, a social media community. Now businesses can leverage this entire aspect of the community and make a neighborhood brand into a much wider, local brand or even a global brand. Thank you.